Upgrade dependencies. To upgrade a dependency to the latest version, we can change the contents of Go mod, then change the tag to the latest tag. To download the latest version, use the command go get. To upgrade dependencies in the second module, we simply need to change the version of the first module to the latest version in the Go mod file, and then run the go get command to download the dependencies with the latest version. Finally, we'll attempt to modify the Hello World function in the second module. We'll take a new approach by creating a variable hello and printing that variable. After running the program, we'll see that the output has changed according to the modifications we made.